Panoorin natin guys yung pag-sign ng ating mahal na Pangulo sa ating GAA, sa General Appropriation Act.
Si Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. You may now be seated. Good morning. We are gathered here today for the signing of the General Appropriations Act for fiscal year 2026. May we invite the following personalities to please proceed in front and stand as witnesses as the President signs the General Appropriations Act for fiscal year 2026. Executive Secretary Ralph G. Recto. Secretary Frederick Digo. Acting Secretary Rolando U. Toledo. Secretary Arsenio M. Balisacan. Special Assistant to the President Antonio Ernesto F. Lagdameo Jr. Senate President Vicente C. Soto III. House Speaker Faustino G. D. III. Senator Sherwin T. Gatchalian. Senator Lauren B. Legarda. House Senior Deputy Speaker Ferdinand L. Hernandez. House Majority Leader Ferdinand Alexander A. Marcos. House Minority Leader Marcelino C. Libanan. Deputy Speaker Christine Singson Mihan. Representative Micaela B. Swansing. And Representative Albert S. Garcia. And now, may we invite the President to please proceed to the signing table. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The General Appropriations Act for fiscal year 2026 is now signed by the President. Thank you, Mr. President.
Ayan, good morning po sa ating lahat. Nakita po natin, napanood po natin na nasignan na po ni PBBM ng ating mahal na Pangulo yung ating GAA for 2026. So, sana magamit ng tama yung mga pondo na ibinigay sa mga ahensya ng ating gobyerno. At kaya mga kababayan, suportahan po natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo dahil kulang-kulang 3 taon na lamang po ang nalalabi sa kanyang termino. Kaya ibigay natin ang ating buong suporta para sa ikauunlad ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat po.